Hey guys, I'm getting ready to go to an event called Curl Friends. It's an event for natural hair. It's like a natural hair expo. So I'm just gonna do a quick little beat, nothing too fancy. I just decided right now that I was gonna go. My sister is one of the panelists and I forgot that it was happening today, so I'm gonna go real quick. So I'll have it delivered to you.
That bar.
Oh, I should have got my hair done over. My birthday is coming. Oh, yeah.
I'm so excited. I'm so grateful I got my ticket when I did.
Girl, yes. Oh, I can't
There's
go.
so much more to Earth than just Florida.
Girl, I'm trying to go on a girls trip.
I want to be like, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I know. I really want to take a girls trip so bad. Like, I'm gonna make it happen sometime before this year's over. I don't want to wait till the next year. Like, I really want to do something. Whether I drive or take a plane, I'm trying to go.
But you is gorgeous, honey.
Thank you. I tried a little something, trying to make myself feel good. Cause child, I was about to be in my PJs all day. So, I know. I was just in the parking lot talking to Cece and them. Hi guys. Yeah, Cece's like, girl, you all over the thing. I said, what? Huh? Home.
Oh. Where you got that from?
Pretty little thing. Oh, it's big. I know. Cece was just telling me. She's like, girl, you all over there. I said, no. I know, I see y'all with your little boomerang. Oh my gosh, what is it? Is it so small? Hey you guys, so I'm just leaving the Curl Friends event. It was pretty nice, if I do say so myself. I really enjoyed it. It was nice. Yeah, it was a cool vibe for sure. They do it annually, but it was my first time like knowing about it. I think I've heard of it, but I never really like knew what it was. But yeah, it was a really nice vibe. I picked up some products from some black-owned businesses. Yeah, it was cool. I picked up a perfume, which I thought was very nice, and then a body wash. But yeah, so your girl is on the way back home right now, and I need to get a car mount. Oh, I'm gonna test out my new lighting when I get home. I've ordered these new softball lights from Amazon. I can't wait to see. I'll be home in about a minute or two, and we're gonna try that. So see you guys there. I need to get a car mount because I am not going to be holding any camera. Right now it's on the dashboard. I got my finger next to it so it doesn't fall off when I turn. But I'm not vlogging and driving. Well, I'm not holding the camera, if that makes sense. I don't want anybody to try to report me because people really be doing that, flagging your videos because you're vlogging and driving. But yep, it's golden hour. I took my ponytail out even though it was super cute, pulled back like that. I had a high ponytail, but it was starting to give me like a tension headache. So Alexa, what's your notifications?
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. Softbox lighting kit has arrived.
Alexa, Thank you.
Anytime.
Ciao, boo. Anyways, I'm about to wash my hands and eat my leftovers from last night. Or as I'm trying out the lights, I'm gonna be not editing. Yesterday, I definitely could have ate that food up, but it is what it is. This way. I need to move my suitcase. My very first suitcase, y'all. I never used to go anywhere. And the times that I did go somewhere, I always borrowed my sister's because she has like a lot because she loves to travel. But I got my own now. Oh, I wish I was going on vacation. I didn't move that mop bucket. That is so not cute. I'm about to finish my leftovers.
The sister was getting married. We became your brother or sister / best friends.
This food looks just as good as yesterday. So yeah, I'm about to eat this real quick. All right, she's almost full, but not quite. It was only a little bit. Especially when I record at night, I really need some extra light. So, oh, here. All right, let's open this. I hope it don't have like too many instructions because ain't nobody got time for that. Cute, it comes in a baggie. Really nice. Okay. Whoa, look at that big old thing. Thing as big as my head. Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be so. Y'all just watch the difference between the way y'all see me now and when I put this light. Okay. Oh. Ooh. YouTuber BerryFae. All right, we got our light bulb in there, and I'm gonna put the diffuser. Ah, it looks so nice. All right, let's plug this thing in. Ooh. Okay, so the control is right here on the plug. Oh yeah. Ooh, nighttime recording is gonna be so lit, literally. Oh, I love this. Why did it take me so long? Oh, this is perfect because my light is good, but it needs to be better. I need all angles to be balanced, and this is going to take me to that next level. Like, look at that. Oh, this is awesome. So this is with one light. I'm gonna put the other light over here so you can see the balance I'm talking about, because right now there's like a shadow on this side, and we don't want that. Like, true vloggers, true YouTubers don't do that. Like, they have lights on every side. Go ahead and open the next one. If you guys are curious about these lights, I will leave them down below. If I remember, I'm gonna try to remember. Very easy setup is literally 1, 2, 3. I'm very familiar with these kinds of setups already because my umbrella lights is the exact same thing. I love these little pouches like to like travel with. Keeps everything organized. Separate my hands first. Push this in like that. All right, now let's get the other light bulb. I always shake it to make sure nothing's broken. All right, here we go. Oh, it was already on? Oh yeah, look at all this light. I can record at night and make it look like it's morning. Oh my gosh, I love this. Ooh. Grilla. That looks so good, right? Y'all see that? So I got these from Amazon and I love them so much. So since we have the lights, let me go try on this birthday dress and see if it will be good for church in the morning. If not, we're gonna keep it as dinner. All right, y'all, so this is the dress. This dress is from Pretty Little Thing, of course. It's like a pink champagne dress. It's very, very cute, very elegant. I'm gonna try this on. And great thing about living by yourself, you can change anywhere. All right, so this is the dress, everybody. I think it's fine. The slit is like right here, but I can just not like wear it like that. I can turn it. I love the dress. It has like this little cowl neck thing going on right here. It's gonna be cute. I think my mom is gonna like this dress a lot. I think it's really, really pretty. I love this a lot. This is a good church dress. So let's see what shoes I'm gonna wear. I need to wear something comfortable. And then I need to steam this dress. What I would wear these with this. This is like the closest color, this one. Or I can wear a pop of color. Let me show y'all, it's so cute. Look at that. How cute. Oh look. Oh look. This is an Aldo bag. And I got like some accessories and stuff with it. But this bag is everything. I'm gonna do an unboxing of all my birthday gifts. But this is one of them. And then I have some Tory Burch jewelry. So there's that. There's the black bag. So we can do this. So we have the bag. We have the bangle. We have the dress. And then I have this shoe. Let me see if you guys can see. Oh, people don't even understand how much work it is to slay all day long. I'm gonna try to figure this out and I'll get back to y'all. All right, y'all. So I have this outfit as well because I'm going somewhere tomorrow night, even though my birthday is Monday night. But I have this outfit as well for tomorrow. I don't know how I feel about it. But it's this white balloon arm corset top with these brown like bell-bottom style leggings. But I think I should dress up because it's my birthday and we're going out, so why not? I like this outfit. The pants are Pretty Little Thing. This is Pretty Little Thing. The shoes are Steve Madden. It's a cute little outfit, right? I like this outfit. So this would be my tomorrow night outfit. It's cute. It's cute. I like this. Wow, this light is amazing. But I love this outfit a lot. And we're gonna go out later, the girls, after the show. I'm watching a comedian show. Y'all see. Well, I won't be able to record, but a whole nother vlog, my birthday vlog. Yeah, no. All right, y'all. So I am about to steam my dress. All the way steam. This steam is going, honey. I got my steamer on Amazon. Why is it going so much? I really need to focus on the bottom. That's where it needs to be steamed the most. All right, y'all. So the dress is complete for now. I'll probably do a little bit more steaming in the morning, but it's as straight as it's gonna get. It looks so much better. It was really the bottom that I was worried about, so I got as much of the wrinkles out as I possibly can for tonight. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and take this makeup off, get in the shower, get in the bed, and get ready for tomorrow. It's my Sunday birthday. My birthday's Monday, but we already know I'm celebrating on Sunday and then Monday. So I'll see you guys in the morning.